And we're off. It's a little bit chilly this morning. Yeah, my leg's doing a little better. Still walking with a humongous limp, but hey, I'm walking. Guess we're going to the storage unit this morning. Bear gets to ride along as we're going to stop and grab some Yuck breakfast. Where's Lori? Here she comes. Oh my God, this is hilarious. What is all of this? I said it was just a little chilly this morning.
Oh no, you're in here free good.
She brought our winter blanket. Yeah, okay.
Because you said your little jacket wasn't gonna cut it.
Ah, such is RV living full time.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers.
Love
you.
Cheers, everybody. Happy Saturday. Wow.
And welcome to Saturday Come Along Chat.
Yeah. So a little different today. We had something we had to go do early in the morning. So this is a little bit different Saturday chat with you guys.
So instead of us just sitting here talking, we're going to take you with us, kind of explain what we're doing, where we're going, and give you a little synopsis of what happened this past week, because there really wasn't much. And then we'll come back and join you after that. How's that?
Sounds good.
All right. Here we go.
So today's Saturday chat's going to be just a little different because we have an errand to run first thing this morning before it gets too hot. So Mom wanted to go to the storage unit today, Saturday, and my brother's bringing her. So we have to go before it gets too hot and before it wastes a lot of his day. Shh, I didn't say that.
You didn't say that out loud.
I didn't.
I didn't hear it.
So we're headed there. First, we're going to stop at McDonald's and grab us a sandwich.
Yuck breakfast.
Yep. and then go to storage. But we're going to tell you about our week from the car.
And you know, it really wasn't much of a week because I'm still hobbled.
Invalid.
What?
Still invalid.
Invalid. Still hobbling around, but at least I am walking a little bit, so it is a little bit better.
Yep. So basically, I had a few more days of going out to my daughter's to go water her yard and feed the critters, and it was very, very nice on Thursday morning not to have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. We really liked that, or 5, whatever it was that I was getting up.
Yeah, it was about 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Every morning.
Yes. And so that was good. Otherwise, it's pretty much been me doing a little bit of work, a little bit of crafting, you doing some video stuff and some work meetings. You got ratings back for the radio station. That was good.
They were very good. Once again, in Boise, the Bull, #1 radio station. Yeah. So happy for all those folks who really did all the work.
And as our friends Merton and Sue all the way in Massachusetts can attest, that is the #1 radio station. So they stream it, and you guys could too.
BoiseBull.com.
Yep. So it's been warm, not extremely hot like it had been.
No, it's been nice. It's been in the 80s for highs, and the low's been down around 50 every night.
And that's up here in the North Valleys where we're staying, not necessarily in Reno. They've been in the mid to high 90s still.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit cooler up here.
Not bad at all. Kind of ugly looking the last couple days.
Yeah.
I don't know if I wish we had the other camera instead of the GoPro. I could zoom in, but it's just
really hazy.
Just hazy. And of course the sun, but I mean over here it's just haze. Usually you can see mountain ranges in the distance and you can't see them at all. And they said that this is more dust in the air than it is smoke.
And I don't see how how this is dust from the Black Rock Desert.
Black Rock Desert, which is north of Reno,
Yeah.
but it's just as hazy as can be.
Yeah, northeast of Reno.
Really,
so.
really kind of crazy.
But anyway, the experts know what they're talking about, I suppose. But thank goodness it's not fire. I mean, who knows? It could be some of the smoke blowing up from Southern California.
It could be.
It happens.
You just don't know.
Huh?
I said you just don't know.
Right.
You really
right.
don't.
Of course, you know, we watch baseball just about every day. Well, every day that it's on, we
Yeah.
watch it. And
I don't know why, but we do.
it's too depressing.
It's been a horrible Cardinal year.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's a little depressing. So we thought that this would be okay to have a chat with you this way today, this week, because not a heck of a lot really went on.
No.
One exciting thing was you got to go to the doctor on Thursday and get your stitches out.
Got my stitches out, and it was the 2-week post-op follow-up. They say the knee looks good, and it was worrying me because of all the swelling on it, but they said that's natural, don't worry about it, it's going to take time. And then this coming week is when I start physical therapy, and I do that twice a week for 4 weeks, and then they kick me out the door.
Well, then you go back for your last follow-up with
follow-up.
Dr. Nair.
Yeah.
So,
And then they kick me out the door.
and then you hopefully will be poof,
So
good
you,
to go.
so you want to see what happened when we went to the doctor?
Oh, I took video of them taking the stitches out.
Watch this.
This is probably just gonna be the worst part right here. Nope.
Blocking your light.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Ta-da! There's one.
One down, one to go. How bad was it?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Just a little tug.
Okay. Here comes the other one. I know, I'm sorry. They get these pretty tight too. There you go.
There you go.
What a good boy, you get a lollipop.
Ew. Especially when she's tugging on it. It's like, ew. But did it hurt?
It didn't hurt. It almost tickled as she was pulling out the string.
Yeah, I could see that. And when your knee hurts, it's not where the incisions are, right? Like
No.
if you twist it weird or
No,
something.
it's not in those little areas where the incisions are. That's not what hurts. It's the muscles.
Yeah,
It's
feel a tug like at the top of your kneecap, above
Yeah.
the kneecap, I should say,
Yeah.
on your leg.
different areas. But they said, hey, that's all normal. You're coming back. Don't worry about it. I'm like, all right, whatever.
Yeah, so it's all good. They just put 2 little tiny squares and they glued them on. I forget what you call them, like Perry strips or something like that.
Yeah.
Anybody in the medical field would probably know. But there's something about that glue that is, it must be sweet because the dog and the cat both want to lick them.
Yeah, it's like, no, don't do that. And Bear's coming along with us this morning. Hi, Bear. Hey, pretty dog.
Oh, she was so excited this morning that we were both going somewhere and she got to go too.
She got to go. She gets breakfast with us this morning.
Yep, we're just going to eat in the car, grab
So-
a couple quick sandwiches.
Anyway, here we are in the North Valleys,
Yep.
heading over to the Yuckdonalds.
Yep, sorry about the
It's right
buggy
over-
windshield.
Right over in that area. Somewhere over there.
Yep, straight across.
All right.
All right, let's get some breakfast.
Before we do that,
Oh,
did you know that 90% of bald people still own combs? They just can't part with them.
they can't. They can't. There's no more hair. Some people might be attached to their comb. My great-great-grandmother gave this to me.
So here we is at the Yuckdonald's. Lori's going in to get our breakfast. And with that said, we'll get Bear's breakfast. Of course, we have her poo-poo bags in case she makes a boom while we have to divvy up her food like this. It slows her down as she's eating. And I know a lot of people buy those special bowls, you know, with slows the dog down. This is good enough for us and good enough for Bear. Isn't that right, Bear? Huh? Isn't that right? Want a bite? There you go. You're supposed to chew that. Whoa, the breakfast lady has arrived.
Brought the Yuckdonald's. That's what Russ from RV or TV calls it, is Yuckdonald's.
And we've kind of adopted that.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's kind of crazy. They don't have enough people to wait on you, so you have to order on the kiosk.
Yuck.
Works
Big
for
McDonald's.
you. Wouldn't like it, but I like it. It was quick, fast, and easy. I got out of there before some of the other people did. So.
I want to talk to a human. I want to give my order to a human.
Nah. Humans are overrated.
Oh, yum. Well, as yummy as it can get at Yuckdonald's. Was yours good, Bear? Did you have a good breakfast? You got to eat the yuck crumbs, didn't you? All right.
All right. So head to storage.
Here we go. So we made it to storage, and now it's time to have them go to work, and I'm just going to sit on my butt for a while
Yep. Yes, you should.
and watch.
Yep. My
All right.
brother and my mom still aren't here yet, but
All right. Get busy.
yes, sir. Well, that was fun.
All done.
All done. I think mom's happy. Got things.
She got to go through a bunch of boxes,
Yep.
sorted things out, donate, take back to my house, throw away.
Put back into the storage. So she wanted to take a whole bunch of stuff home to go through, and I'm like, no, we're not taking more stuff to your house. We need to go through it right here. Here's a chair, have a seat.
The parent's child has become the parent's parent.
Yes. Yep, Bruce and I were both, my brother was there, he brought her out there, and we're both saying that, you know, telling her what to do. She'd like hum and haw or something, and Bruce was like, donate. Garbage. My brother's very good about getting rid of stuff. Especially stuff like that.
There you go.
Now, if it were tools, he would
That's
not.
another story.
Yeah, he would not have such an easy time.
Keep.
Yep, so.
Oh well. That was fun. It was a fun morning.
Yep, you got to hang out with Bear. Bruce and I did most of the heavy lifting and going through some stuff.
Yep.
But it's done for a while. She only has a little bit more to go through. Everything's where she can see it, find it, get to it. I know there's more she wants to go through, but it's not necessary. She needs to stop stressing about it. Do you have a parent like that? Have you had to deal with going through parent stuff? I mean, not after they've passed, but while they're still alive.
Let us know in the comments below. Maybe it's not a parent. Maybe it's a spouse.
Yeah, or a relative of some sort. Aunt, uncle, brother, sister.
Wife.
You already said spouse.
Okay.
Husband.
Did you have fun? You got to hang out with everyone today, didn't you? Yeah. You're such a good girl. So how's that?
There you go, a little bit different, huh?
A little bit different. We call that the Saturday Come Along Chat.
Come along with us and chat with us. So we got that taken care of, and there really wasn't a whole lot going on the past week that was of anything big to mention to you, except for Tom's doctor's appointment, which we talked about in the car.
Which we kind of did, and it is getting better. So we'll see what it's like this next week after I go to the physical therapy. Thumbs up on that, hopefully.
Yep.
That'll be a piece of cake, right? I've never been before. It's really easy, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to physical therapy? Have you had an injury where you had to do it? Let us know in the comments. I want to know how easy it really was.
Yeah. Thanks, you guys, for being here today with us and watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't yet, please consider doing so. And make sure that you click the bell to get notifications when we put out a new video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment to any of those questions that we answered or anything else. And share this if you want to torment someone else. So everyone, have a great week. See ya.
Take your band.